The QuietCool Solar Utility Fan is designed for a variety of uses, including portable restrooms, small storage sheds, and more. This fan is fully solar powered and does not require any wiring. In this video, we will walk through the installation process for the solar utility fan on a storage shed. The QuietCool Solar Utility Fan is the perfect accessory for a storage shed due to the fact that it requires no maintenance and will actively ventilate and exhaust your shed anytime there is sunlight. When unboxing your solar utility fan, it should include two components, the solar fan itself and a locking ring. For this installation, you will need a drill, a 3 1/4 inch hole saw, and a weatherproof sealant. Start by finding a good location for your solar utility fan. Use a tape measure to make sure it is aligned how you would like it. Once you have found a location, using your drill with a 3 1/4 inch hole saw attachment, cut out the hole. Next, remove the locking ring from the solar utility fan. Apply weatherproof sealant around the hole and place the solar utility fan on your shed. Now secure the fan to your shed by screwing the locking ring clockwise to tighten it against the underside of the solar utility fan. Make sure it is snug but not too tight. The installation is now complete and the fan will automatically begin to operate during daylight hours.